Hello and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to clean the most overlooked part of the car. So this is definitely the most overlooked and forgotten part of the car when you clean the car, which is the fuel cap. Well, that whole section, I should say, so even the cover there. So as you can see, this one is quite dirty. So yeah, we're just gonna clean that. So the first step is to blow out all the loose dust and dirt and grime out of the fuel cap. So you can see I'm just got my condensed air and I'm just blowing it all away. This area is forgotten so much. I know I've done it so many times where I've cleaned my car, gone to the petrol station, opened up my fuel cap and been embarrassed to see what was inside. So it is forgotten by everyone really. So yeah, now what I'm doing is I've got an APC, an all-purpose cleaner, which is a degreaser, and just spraying it all over. I've probably gone a little bit too hard here just for the sake of the video, but just spraying it all over, get it all degreased and loosened up and everything. Now I'm going to agitate with a brush. So getting into all the nooks and crannies that I can. Make sure the fuel cap is secure as well. We don't want that in loose because all-purpose cleaner doesn't really mix well with unleaded. So yeah, just as you can see, just agitating there and loosening up everything. So we're going to do the same on the cover as well as the arm. Now I would usually do this before a contact wash, just because you can see with the APC spray it is going everywhere. We are getting it on the body of the car and everything like that. So you want to do this before the contact wash, so you make a bit of a mess, then you clean it up with the contact wash. So that's what I would be doing. So now we're just going to take that off with a microfiber cloth. Just get rid of all the APC and degreaser on there. Clean it up a little bit. Now you want to be pretty thorough with the buffing off. You don't want to leave any solution behind. Sorry about the camera angles as well. I am trying to hold a camera and buff off at the same time, which is very, very tough to do. So I do apologise about the dodgy camera angles, but unfortunately I don't have a team with me to help me record. So as you can see, just trying to get in all the nooks and crannies there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take off the cap. I'm going to be very careful here again. We don't want any solution in the pipe there. So I'm going to just clean it around the pipe. There's a couple of grooves there that you can't get to with the cap on because the cap covers it. So just going to get around there. Not going to get any solution in there. I'm also going to clean the cap. Now this was tough to do while recording because I do need two hands, one holding the cap and the other holding the microfiber. So again, apologies about the camera angle, and I guess shaky cam is what I'm looking at the moment. So apologies about that. So yeah, so that's that. Now it depends how far you want to go with this. I mean, I want it looking really good. So I've got a trim restorer on the fuel cap. So that's what I'm doing now. Just popping the trim restorer on, bringing out the black and making it shiny. You don't need to do this, and again, it depends how far you want to go with it. I like to do it just because it gives me a smile when I'm at the fuel pump. It's one of my pet hates is filling up the car. So when I'm at the fuel pump, at least I can get somewhat of a smile to see a nice clean area there. But again, not mandatory. So this is what it looked like before we touched it. Bit gross. And this is what it looks like now. So massive difference. As you can see, still haven't cleaned the car as of yet to get all that APC off, but that area is very, very clean. So like always, thanks for watching. If you could please like, comment and subscribe on the video. It really helps a small channel like mine. Thanks again for watching.